Prepare the surface using a wire brush. Remove loose scale, rust, paint, and any foreign material. Surfaces shall be clean and free of dirt, rust, and all other foreign material prior to the application of the primer and wax wrap. Apply PolyGuard Wax Wrap Primer with a gloved hand or brush to all areas that will be wrapped. Use a brush to apply the wax wrap primer to hard-to-reach areas. On wet, sweating, cold, or rusty surfaces, firmly rub and press the primer to displace moisture and ensure adhesion. Extend the primer 3 inches beyond the area where the wrap will be applied for visual inspection. Apply PolyGuard Anti-Corrosive Profile Putty by pressing it into contours and voids to create a more even surface. Make sure the putty is adhering well as you work it into place. Immediately apply PolyGuard Wax Wrap over the primer and putty. Start with a 100% overlap, then transition to a spiral wrap with a 50% overlap. The minimum recommended overlap is 1 inch. Press out all air pockets and smooth the seams. Leave slack in the wrap while applying it to irregular shapes to ensure full coverage. After wrapping, smooth all seams to ensure proper sealing. Press and mold the wax-based wrap so it fully conforms to the surface and does not bridge over irregular areas.